the old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance, but the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money, better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use best front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
The night beckons while you dream. A life never lives in peace. As you stand upon the edge, woven by a single thread, and fate may fall down upon you, while the devil is knocking right at your door.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is ALGO, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrew. Are you ready for the final hour of the day? My favorite time to play. Don't forget, trading is risky and all that jazz. Before we get started, I've got something for you guys to do because I know that you all love me so much. So, are you ready for your first instruction to program your algo? Are you ready? Go ahead, press that button. That's how you start to play the game. Let's go. Don't forget, my name is Vinny, and I will be your host, and I'm just here to show you how I trade the ALGO system. I am not telling you what to do. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only, and a whole lot of entertainment, if you know what I'm saying. All right. Welcome back. Let's get that music started. Get the groove. I like to get the feeling of the groove. I'm going to pull it down here to 50%. I like my music audio coming from my left-hand side. All right, let's see. So, got my 4K already on the day. Who thinks I can get to 10K this afternoon? We've got 1 hour to get to 10K, which means I've got to do 6K. Who thinks we can do it? Type 10K in the chat if you think we can. Or type ICT in the chat if you think I can't, because you know who can't? ICT can't trade. Oh, poor guy, poor guy. I'm going to size up because I've already hit my target here on the day. Let's get to it. Don't forget, I approach the markets like a video game, and again, all these little trolls. Vinny tells everybody to trade like a video game. Bro, you are trading like a video game. Everybody's pressing buttons trying to beat somebody across the world. I just happen to call it what it is. Get mad about it, bro. Get mad, get mad. All right. 5 trades up there at the top. I like to keep track of my trades in this manner. And if you'd like to do it, you can actually print one of these out there on the left-hand side of Discord. If you are not inside of our Discord, you're missing a couple of things. Number one, you need to print out one of these sheets if you want to do it the way that I do it. And then over here, this tool is free inside of our Discord channel chat. As long as you are part of our community and have adhered to all of our community guidelines, then this is a free tool for you. You know what I'm saying? Some of you guys have been bad boys and girls, and you've been removed. I'm sorry. Can't be part of our community if you're going to break our rules. They are simple. They're straightforward. But it's a pub room as long as you keep it cool. We got terms of service, so make sure you understand that. Speaking of things, there's my rules. That's what I like to do right there. We got some new tools, and I'm only showing you a piece that's coming out on our June release. June the 1st is going to be a feature release. One of those awesome features is going to be the fiddler. What could the fiddler be? Well, if you guys have been following this for a while, I'm going to remove this over here, so we'll draw it in right now here for the afternoon because it has squeezed in a bit. I'm going to draw this region right here and kind of highlight it in kind of a yellowish golden color there. This is the zone I want to stay out of, what we call the fiddle. I learned from my mentor, Joseph James. I've had other mentors, but I still consider him my main mentor, my main man, Joseph James. If you guys have not given him a follow over there on YouTube, I am telling you, you are going to learn something. Best teacher in the entire trading industry, and that is an absolute fact. And you will know what I'm saying if you ever go listen to any of his content. Amazing, amazing mentor. If you want to learn price action or learn a lot of things around how traders get trapped, psychology and all that stuff, you probably want to learn it from him. If you don't like learning it from me, hey, Joseph James is your man. In my personal opinion, go give him a follow there on YouTube. All right, so he taught me a long time ago. He said, don't fiddle in the middle. All right, and then we had a lot of funny things around the diddle and blah, blah, blah. But anyhow, don't fiddle in the middle. So we call that middle area the diddle or the fiddle. So let's stay out of the fiddle zone. We've got a new set of tools. One of them is this new gray area that you're going to see over here. No, my charts are not changing colors from where I have been in the background. This is simply covering up the zone where you maybe have the less great trades, right? So the black area is where we want to take some of the best trades. Ooh, look at that juicy beast right there. Oof. That looks so nice. And then in this zone, we don't. Look, two avoidable, those didn't go 20 ticks on both of those right there inside of the what? I mean, we are solidly in the fiddle zone. Now, projecting onto my lowest time frame chart, you guys will have that available in the next release on June the 1st. Who's excited about that? If you are, type fiddle in the chat. I see a lot of 10Ks. Let's go for 10K. Let's do it. Yes, 10K times 20. Let's go for 200K on those 20 accounts like the rest of these clowns on YouTube. Come on, y'all know who we're talking about. Trades by Matt. Everybody type trades by Matt in the chat. Oh, we're going to have some fun. We're going to have some fun with that. I heard he just did another charity live stream, but he fails to mention that I have still, to this day, been the largest charity giver on any of his streams. I gave a $5,500 donation, and he then slandered me immediately thereafter. Oh, unfortunate. And then he teamed up with one of the dirtiest scammers in our industry, in my opinion, John Matthew Coward of Rocket Scooter. Pocket Pooper. If you want to see the world's worst trading software, go check out Rocket Scooter, Pocket Pooper. It's even worse than Jigsaw, and that's saying something. Alrighty then. Let's have some fun, shall we? Right now, it's a little slow, so I'm just kind of beating around the bush over here about the fact that I'm on the ones as low as you can possibly go here on the speed, and we're just right here in the middle of the diddle. Nowhere to go, but let's take a peek at the direction filter, or my primary filter for knowing which direction are going to be my runners. What am I looking for? Type it in the chat. What tool am I going to use for my primary runner filter? Yeah, today's slow. This morning, I don't know if I would call it slow this morning. I felt like this morning was pretty good action. We did 2K in the morning session. Middle there, I kind of doubled that. And then now we're into the afternoon here. Learn to love the dips. There's where we're currently at, up there. Up at 4,100. After commissions, that is after commissions. Before commissions, I've actually done 4,760. But if you want to enable your commissions templates, you can do that inside of NinjaTrader. The MacVU, yes, all you guys type it in the MacVU. That is correct. The MacVU filter is going to tell me what's my direction. So currently, I'm going to pull it over here real quick. What I've got off on the side screen, this is the active version. If you want to get that in our chat, there it is, MacVU filter. That is a free tool. If you are a kind-hearted, generous soul adhering to our rules in our trading community, you actually have access to that as well for free, whether you're using our system or not. From Vinny, E-Mini, and crew. That's my love note to you, so that you know the direction filter across the multi-instrument bias. And I'm talking about ES, NASDAQ, Dow, and the Russell. All four of those combined, we've combined that for you to get you that in that MacVU. That is called the MacV Ultimate. We do have the miniature version per instrument down here, which is why we start out, stay out of that fiddle diddle there. When it's slow, it's going to go, right? So right now I have to assume we're going to the long side. And yes, MacVU is currently telling me also to the long side for runners. So I will attempt to stay that direction. See if we can first pump to 5K. That's usually my first mental barrier. And then from 5K, I try to swing for 8. And then from 8, there is always a bit of a battle between 8 and 10K for me. So we'll try and see if we got enough time here. 304. And it's not even that there's necessarily a, if there's enough time left, it's also amount of, we can only play what the market gives us. Is the market going to give us enough movement and enough action during that time window? It's not about just the time, it is about the markets too. Is the market going to give us enough swings at the bat? So let's see. All right, first sell supply just came in there right at the golden ropes. Actually, I want to pull the ropes. Let me do something real quick. Hopefully this doesn't jack it up. I've saved that on a previous template, but before I do the release, again, we are in the code release version of our stuff right now, and I want to remember while I'm thinking about it to not include that in the release. And if you guys are getting my updated workspace, I do drop my workspace. If you guys would like my workspace layout here that I use on the live stream, instead of the defaults that we are using, if you're wanting this simplified layout here that I'm just kind of coming out to the public to go, look, my layout can be this simple if you want. That is available on the left-hand side of Discord in the community workspaces area. We have a shared community workspaces section that other members as well. If you see something that you like, you're like, hey, I like your layout. Can I get that from you? Drop it in the workspaces section. You can download it, put it in your workspaces folder in your documents under NinjaTrader 8, and then relaunch NinjaTrader, and that workspace will be available for you inside of your NinjaTrader. Just select the workspace with the name that you had in the file. It is an XML file if you're familiar with the file types. And if that was over your head, don't worry about it. The defaults out of the box are just fine. It's like, Vinny, you're nerding out, bro. Yeah, I do that sometimes, sorry. Right in the middle of the diddle here. That was a double shark landing right there off of the shark back. Look at that. To the tick. Holding you in. Structure to the long side. Still holding. Everybody take a note. Long side structure holding. You guys know the drill. Cipher. Hold. Shark. Hold. Cool. Harmonics, which means algorithms are in control. Yes, I would say the same thing about the Gartley. Yes, to the long side, all are in play right now. The market has divulged its hand to us to see that here so far. Another supply. Finger over the buy. If I go, stop below the cross. There are 3 in an area here, so potential 3 wise man, which would be a reversal down to the 18,756, but that would be against the favorable direction currently, so that's a little bit tricky. No, we went neutral. We actually can. Sorry, I was speaking out of turn. I just glanced over in the corner of my eye and I see we have moved to neutral, so we could take a short here down to that cipher on a 3 wise man, back into the zone. Snooze fest. Mark says, I have not fiddled in the middle so as to not get diddled. Smart man. Okay, we're coming back up through to try roll through the white. Need to listen for audio box. Okay, she wants to get hot. Oh shoot, I forgot to move to 5. I need to small up my position here. Yeah, I forgot I had sized up there. Whoops. We'll close it there at the top for $4,500. First $500 out the gate. Lock it up for trade number 1 for about four to 500-ish, 450-ish. Not bad for the first play. I'm in a habit of double tapping. Y'all know my deal. I'm sizing up here this afternoon, so it's got to be a good play if I'm going to do that. That was just a easy winker. Check out DCDMs if you don't know what that was. High of day right up top here. Here we go. So attraction points for the big picture prior high up top there. Let's see how we react at the high of day. Got my finger over the buy if we crack it, and then we'll go for those stops. You know the ones. You know there's stops hiding up there. New bar on the 89s. So it might be a sleeper up top here. We don't know that it's going to go. We get an alpha omega, we go. I don't want to say we, me. I like to speak in like, you know. I'm not a they, them. I'm retracting everything I'm saying. Nope. Ain't voting for Joe. If you're voting for Joe, you're retarded, and I'll say it to your face. In person, actually. This is your favorite Christmas jam? Oh, I love it. Yeah, if you're voting for Joe, you're either dumb or evil. Either one, I'm not interested. Yeah. Dementia Joe. Okay, we're about to pop out of that zone. Look, you can see it. See the little heads about to pop out, so we're about to be in the black here. The speed, though. I mean, we're on the 1s, and we're below 30. FJB. How many of y'all think that Joe's actually going to debate Trump? Y'all think that's actually going to happen? Something's going to happen. That's not going to happen. Like, I don't think it's going to happen. I mean, I know they're saying it is and all that. I can't see that happening at all. Like getting in a debate with your demented grandpa, like, you can't really. You just kind of feel sorry for him, you know? You're just kind of like, okay, grandpa, you know, you feel bad. Like, how's that gonna work? They'll prop him up, hook him up with a bunch of, like, cocaine bear. His son's gonna give him a bunch of powdered donuts. Hey Joe, have some of these powdered donuts here this morning. Have another one. I'm not really hungry this morning, guys. No, have another. No, I'm good, guys. Jill's been telling me I need to stay fit, and I don't think. No, Joe, have another donut. No, Joe, have another donut. What's in these donuts? Don't taste like my usual donuts. Oh, they're the special kind, Joe. Okay, oh, say so. Is this what they tell me I gotta do today? Can somebody help me off stage? Oh, 3 wise men cluster here. Are we gonna drop? What's it gonna be? Oh, that was trade 2, by the way. So try for the DCDM. Actually, I do need to get a measure on that, don't I? Get the measurement, bro. Measure it, bro. Okay, here's where they're ditching. Here's where they're going. All right, 2 spots. 2 gold spots. Gold lines. Eyes fixed on the gold lines above. They had them all juiced up for this O2. What's SO2? State of the Union? Oh, State of the Union, right? Is that what that is? SOTU? Is that State of the Union? Am I right? I don't know. I think that's what you're saying. Okay, see how the Gartley holds. Well, if it's going to break. No, Gartley holding. Okay, so we're still looking to the long side. All it needs an entry. This for audio box.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
So far behind that. Hopefully we get there.
Target filled.
Thank you.
Target filled.
Put a runner up to the other one. Will he go all the way? You don't know. Maybe he won't go at all. That's a shark. The PRZ cross. Or the potential fake. Ooh, yikes. Supply coming in front of the gold line. Should be having position there.
DCDM.
All right, yep, got to half it. Stops below these crosses here. I stop limit 5. Okay, but got to drop it to 2. Half position for me anytime one of those is going to pop in front of a gold line. If crosses start showing up right in front of it where you're trying to get there, the deal is they can start ditching contracts right here, which is what that typically means. But sometimes they'll give a fast last run and then dump, and then this becomes the dump zone. MacVU still green, so got to stay to the green side first. Got my left hand over the hotkey close, of course. Here's king timing.
Enigma long on the NQ.
Enigma long. I'm gonna go for it. Adding to position. Stop underneath the Enigma. If it fails, gotta do the things. Yep, could be the cluster, like I said a minute ago. Could be. Could be a sticky wicket. Yeah. All right, let me move trade 3. That's why we slow up underneath there. If it didn't get straight to that gold line, it didn't happen. So structure held before. Up here, that's debatable whether that structure is in play. A little bit trickier of a read. Moderate buy still. So we say on the Mac VU. Prior high is the attraction point up above us, potentially. Our time, 3:18. Plenty of time to play. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. There's the supply. I'm going to try it one more time. Moonshot now. Moonshot, and of course, again, small stop. Not concerned with a small stop behind a cross. Little tiny stop, no biggie. I'll play in on that risk game all day. I'm gonna give it a look. Just in case they do a little fake down, boom. That would be great. Grab targets up there. Gartley, potentially. We really need to see that Gartley break. If that Gartley breaks, I'll add to position. If it holds, I'll have to probably cancel the position. Sorry about that. I'm driving your dog crazy with the whistles. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm going to half up my position there because it went a little deeper than I wanted. Finger over the close on the left. Wasn't a structure break play there for me, unfortunately. Really? Okay, we'll close it up. It's tough. Weird stuff going on there. Not my favorite high day stuff. Plenty of time. Okay, that looks like a trap and a half. Hopefully this king timing will tell us whether it is or it is not. I'm going to remove these lines here real quick. Oh shoot, sorry. Forgot about somebody's dog there whistling again. Yeah, I hope it's a trap. If we get an alpha omega down here, that'll be the key. I haven't seen an alpha omega in a while. Last alpha omega, I mean, they're in this Yeah, I mean it's at the highs. So, this could be the sell-off. We could get a end of day half-hour sell-off. So I'll be mentally preparing for that. And the Mac VU shifts. That will make that play easier. Currently still green. So I'm just gonna keep staying to the long side until otherwise noticed. Yeah, four-legged dog trap, exactly. 1, 2, 3, there's the 4. I think this could be it. Potentially. It has really grinded down though. You notice the speed, right? So it's been very slow down, you know what I'm saying? So we could just keep going down. You have to keep that in mind when the speed is slow like that. Usually when they're going to do the trap, it's going to be with speed and then we pop back up. So I don't like that this is creepy crawling down. It does have my mind leading me to the short side. But if we get a break of a structure, that will be my confirmation and I'll go for the short after a break of a structure with audio box. It will have to come with audio box as they're doing the creepy crawly. Okay, there we go. I'm going to take that every single time. Okay, on the butterfly break, and we'll see if that's going to go. Bigger play there, a little bit more dangerous, more risk. Butterfly break would be the sell. Such a hard read right there. The butterfly did not break. Okay, whatever the play is coming right here is going to be big now, so I'm going to upsize. So if that's the trap, it's a pretty decent one, decent play opportunity. If the high side is still planned, again, we're still green on the Mac VU. And we got the 13.8, butterfly held, stop below the butterfly. If the butterfly breaks, I can get short underneath it if audio box comes with it. Audio box is going to have to push along with it. Too fast for my 10900 to keep up. My PC does feel like it's getting a little bit sluggish here. I didn't check my security dead. Off, okay. I feel the sluggishness there. And of course I'm sitting there paying attention not paying attention where I need to. All right, that's a moonshot long. Got to take it to the long. That is going to be costly on the commissions, but suck on the commissions if I'm going to get a moonshot like that at the low. I'm going to give that a shot.
Speed of NQ53. Speed of NQ53.
Remember, it has been creeping down, and when it's slow, it's gonna go, right? You know that, so I have to be concerned with that. I may close underneath that cross, and always could attempt a retry if we pop back above that, if this is gonna do another fake trap. If it is, it's probably gonna snap down quick first, and then a pop up, and then everybody's thinking, okay, it's going short, and then we go. Because this one with the creepy crawl, this is not the type of speed that we want for a really good trap. The best traps are going to be a bit quicker than this one. Lightbringer, can you post that information in the Discord public chat so I can look at that after the stream? It sounds like good information. I appreciate that. But give me some more, yeah, put it in the Discord for me if you don't mind. And I'll have a look at that. Talking about some cache task manager in the performance tab, memory section, sluggish. Oh, I didn't know about that. Yeah, post me a link too, please. Not just your information. I need a link. Trust but verify. I believe no one. You know what I'm saying? Okay, it's 3:30. BTFD. No structure above me for a breaker to add. If we break a structure, there's a 10.3. I'll add to position. Break of the cross, I'll add again. I heard it go. Might be the snapback. We'll see. Push it. Break to there. Break it. Okay. And take half right there as we break and touch that big red line underneath under a 10. Okay, I'll go half again. I can double if I need to if we get on a push. Everybody type prior high in the chat. Let's see if we can talk the market into going there. Go to the prior high. Do it. Up here on the right. ES making new highs. Yeah, MACVU is still green. So rising tides hopefully raises all ships. And that we don't get one of those sluggish turns. I got that $400 superstition staring me in the face over here. Break it. Go. $200 more till the superstition is over. Get there. I'm gonna float under the high. Or are we gonna run?
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Let's go, baby. Alright, I'll have some there. Shark is applying. Use my half button there. Stop under Enigma. Up 5K. Past the $400 superstition. Crack of the shark and we'll go. Big shark. It's a very large shark. You're up 5,600, Jesse. Way to go, brother. Excellent work, sir. Stop under the Enigma, and we'll see if we got Enigma or not.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Crack it, baby. Crack it. Okay, 10 ticks above for target 1.
Target filled.
Get
Filled.
you some. Let's hear it. Hype in the chat. Yeah, boy. You know what's up. You know. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Oh, you don't know? Oh, they didn't tell you? They didn't tell you? That they didn't tell you that One Republic works for me?
I'm holding on your tricks.
Speed of NQ 158. Speed of NQ 158.
ALGO box, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat, something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and play along.
Speed of NQ 56.
It's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. Whoa. It's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. Yeah. I said it's too late. ALGO box, it's too late. ALGO box, it's too late.
Oh. Yeah.
It's too late to miss the game. ALGO box is too late. Yeah, I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. ALGO box makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. ALGO box and never miss the game.
ICT. ICT.
Alrighty then. I don't know about you, but we're up 6K. Type 10K in the chat. Let's go for 10K. Let's go on the way. Did we hit prior high? Of course we did. Of course we did. I told you if we cracked that sucker, we was going to. Oh. Of course, just my opinion. Just here for entertainment and educational purposes only. How about that 15.1 calling the high? Come on. Come on. Come on. Can we just cite, can we say moonshot? Can we get a moonshot hype in the chat? Can we get some moonshot hype? That was a very sexy play. It really was. You gotta admit. Very, very sexy. All right, 4K, 20 minutes to get to 10K. Let's go. 10K hype in the chat for 10K on the way. I'm gonna need some more likes though. We gotta get to 100 likes. Because that's my 5 trades plus bonus. $20K, that's right. Alright, if I get to 100 likes, I'll go for 20K. I'll load the boat. I'll go 10 contracts at a time. Are y'all in? Max contracts on a 300K account in Apex is 35 contracts. So I've got 7 clicks. 7 on the way to heaven. You want to see me do it? Give me those likes. Let's go. 14 more likes. We got 122 people hanging out. All the haters. Oh, don't cry, bro. Don't cry. Put your hanky down for a minute and use your thumb and press the like button, bro. You can do it. Oops. $100 likes. Thank you very much. Let's go. 20K in the chat. Oh, I'm gonna need a hype jam for that. Hold up. Eddie, take it away.
Vinny, ALGO box, they're the kings of the trade. ICT, you a joke, your strategy's just a charade. Michael J, huddle stay, you ain't real, you're a fake. Talk about trading live, but all you do is simulate. Vinny got strategies, he be stacking them pips. ALGO box got the algorithms making money flip. ICT, you can't compete, your analysis is weak. Michael J, you ain't got the skills, just a trading sheet. We trading warriors, be the best in the game. Vinny, ALGO box, we bring the fame. ICT, Michael J, are just frauds on display. In the trading industry, the ones that pave the way.
Whoa. They disbelieved on a faith basis only that I was taking every single trade that I showed examples of. And normally, I do a pretty in-depth editing process.
Pretty in-depth editing process. Cute, bro. It's cute. Live stream it, bro.
DCDM
Keep quiet.
on the one.
Ooh! That is a very weird shape. We don't have an easy range for that. Region, I mean. It's the bottom of the region. I don't know. This is so... I mean, it's like a hugely wide region here. Like, I think this is high time frame region coming in here now. Huge. Very wide region. Probably from before. Nah, it's just trend. It's not a region. No, I'm not going to try to pretend like there's a region there. I'm going to remove that. Let's try it. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. We're going for a big one anyway, right? Let's go. All right, I'm gonna need a bigger. And for the bigger trigger, I'm gonna need a 5. All right, so Mac VU still green. So don't have a shift to red yet, or even neutral on that. See if we can get a drop down to that target down below, gold target down below. If I get an entry, waiting for it, listen for it, listen for the audio box. Ooh, crack of the Gartley. Ooh, and a 16. Okay, they're moving quick now. What's our time? We got 4 minutes till the 350 algo. Ooh, that was snappy, right? They got people to press the button right there. I think it's a short. Get ready. I don't know, not you guys. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to myself. Talking to myself. Talking to myself. Juicy target down there. Look at that juicy. So juicy. Juicy. Wants the lotion. Don't trap me. Don't trap me, bro. Don't trap me. Add to position on a cross. Finish me out to the gold line, please. Do my bidding and don't make me angry. Don't you PRZ cross me long, bro. Don't you do it. Oh, don't you set that trap. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a 4-legged dog trap. Oh, 350 algo coming in a minute and 45. Please drop me one more time before that 350 algo. Drop it. I got how much time? 90 seconds. Oh, don't you rip it. Don't you do it. Drop it like it's hot. $60 seconds till the drama. Sell side, let's go. "30 seconds. Don't you start that rip. Here comes the drama. I'm hoping it's a dropper. No, that looks like a trap and a half. Come on. Drop it, drama mama. 350 algo kicking right now. Another sell supply. I mean, any other time of day, that is a good drop. But right now, it's anything can go. It's end of day drama. Yikes! I'm gonna close it. I'm not playing against a moonshot long right there. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the moonshot for probably my final trade of the day. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, yeah, I'll call it. This is a good trade session there. For about 5K. Tried to go for the 10, but again, like I said, this is going to be very tricky right here. Listen.
Reversing.
They're going to drop it now.
Speed of NQ51. Speed of NQ51.
Never play against the moonshot. That is a lesson of the day. Oh man, any other time, man. That is a nice looking shot right there in the middle of the diddle there, and yeah, moonshot gets it again, crushing it. Beautiful stuff there. Did you get it? Did you hold on to it? Good for you. Look like a PRZ cross again when the high side one hit. So, you know, basically here's what I'm following, right? Structure, but then boom, they finally got it, right? It gets tricky there around that 350 algo, like we've said many a time before. Beautiful play there. Wish I could have held to it on the opposite side of that when I saw it coming in. Tough. Woulda, shoulda, couldas. Wish it would have got in right there. I ended up waiting until we got down there. Got me big and heavy, ready to go down there for that target, and just, no, not today. They're pushing it back up, and MacVU, screaming green there. Sometimes you get that end of day shift on it, but not today. So, high watermark, 6K. And, all right, let's see. Moonshot, once again. The boss. Let's get some moonshot hype in the chat. Some of you guys, who got the moonshot long? Who played the moonshot long? And y'all saw that come up. Did y'all get it? You got it. Excellent. Look at all these guys that got it. That was beautiful. Yeah, I got fixated on that little target right there and tried to size up because I was already up 6K. At that point, don't care. If I'm up 4K on the day, this is what I do though. I risk when I'm already up big. This is my thing. That's how I do it. You know, I think about how much I can risk. I'm like, I'll risk up to, you know, I'm not going to walk away without my 4K on the day. So 4,500, not bad. Feels bad after you're up 6K when you could have gone for 10, because if that had dropped out, I mean, again, if that had gone, snap through that, and then sometimes it'll full snap through, and I'm adding to position as it goes. there's my 10K that I told you guys I was going to be targeting for you guys. For you, just to show you how we kind of use the system there. But if a moonshot gets in your way, hey, yeah, lesson of the day. If a moonshot gets in your way, it is time to pay. That is up, 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 and away. And there's the 20.6 finally coming in there, but it's at the end of the day. I'm not going to smack that. One time a day that I'm not going to smack that. End of day, especially at high of day there, that not happening. They'll start to possibly finish that off there and continue on a run, and you'll see several pinks come up there sometimes. Very, very dangerous to play against at any other time, though. 20, you know I'm going to play that reverse, right? Soul Man, still in it. Oh, welcome. Excellent work. Excellent work. Uh, 5 minutes. I'm gonna watch how this closes out here today. 5 minutes to the close. That R1 up above. I think we're getting all the way to R1. If you think we're hitting R1, type R1. Let's get some R1 hype in the chat. R1 would be 18,820.
Speed of NQ 115.
So I thought I caught the best trap of the afternoon, and then they set another one. I mean, I got that sucker all the way up there. That was awesome. But then, look at that. Another one. I mean, that's a screenshot for the records right there. Look at that beauty. All the way up, and then boom, moonshot again. Boom, all the way up to a 20.6 again. Call move to the 20.6. 73 tick move up to the 20.6. Butamus. Yeah, this is, I'm kind of looking back at myself, what got me all kind of hung up there, but that was, I can see it in hindsight, that's the filler. So they filled it up right there, lots of fill, and then, okay, let's drop it down, make everybody think we're going, and then boom, moonshot's like, yeah, here we go, and then yoink, right through that white line right there, at the crack of that Gartley, would have been it, but that was so fast, you saw it, snap, 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 pow, and then it's like, yeah, too late for me. But it closed out, not going to take a big loss on it. I did size up to try to push that 10K, because that's what I told you guys we're going to try to do. Let's see. 3 minutes to the close. $13. Cracker says, I'm in the second week of trial. Don't understand everything, but it's pretty incredible. Awesome. Happy to hear it, my friend. Welcome aboard. Yeah, get through, you know, hop through the documentation, maybe print out the documentation. If you guys haven't seen our documentation, go to algoboxpro.com. At the top says how to, and there's documentation, all of the kind of strategy setups and layouts there. And then there's full video trainings along with all that. There's free training on the website under the training section for videos there, learning the primary strategies. And then the extra Enigma stuff, that's only for premium members, but you can probably figure it out. If you come out here to our live stream, it's like, oh, I wonder how that Enigma, that there moonshot thing works. How does that moonshot thing work? Doesn't take a rocket scientist. I can draw you a picture on a napkin. That's the beauty of it. It's the simplicity of the power behind the complexity of the instruments themselves. I'm sorry, not the instruments, but the algorithms themselves. And less on you, more on the algo.
Speed of
Okay, 1 minute to the close. Let's see if we see some violence. So this is where I would normally want to shift up to a 2s. 1s, things could be chaotic, and on a 10-900, I'm going to it could tend to freak out if if we really have one of those crazy violent scenarios at the end of the day. I would want to be on a 14,900, which I've purchased recently, so I'm excited about that. So normally, yeah, I want to take that Gartley short. There's a sell supply. I'm going to give it a stab. Why not? I'm already at 4K on the day. I'll give it a shot there, see if I can get to 5K. Or is that going to be another one? I see a pink dot up here on the right.
Target filled.
There we go. Get me down to that diamond. Target's filled. I got 5K on the day. Come on, give me some 5K chat. 5K hype in the chat. Come on, 5K hype to get out of here. 5K hype in the chat. What did we have up top there? We had our pink dot coming in. We had the crack of the Gartley plus audio box. You know my drill. A structure break plus audio. There's an Enigma right there at 210. I'm not going to press it right now, but I probably should. I'm just happy about that 5K, and I'm going to walk away shoving it in the eye of you know who, the guy who likes to threaten my family. What an idiot. Well, how stupid do you have to be to threaten kids? I'm going to break them all. Tired of all this nonsense in this industry, aren't you? Follow me over there on Vinny Mini Market Historian as we start to expose more frauds in this industry. Larry Williams is up next. Rocket Scooter is after that. Jigsaw after that. If you guys got one you guys want to see exposed, come send me the details. We'll get a Discord set up for it and drop all those details, and we'll start the expose. What's up, everybody? Thanks for coming hanging out. My name is Vinny Mini, and we are the crew.
Speed of NQ 108.
Whoa. They just believed on the faith basis only that I was taking every single trade that I showed examples of. And normally, I do a pretty in-depth editing process.
I go back showing trades every single day. Scammers hiding in their holes, wasting your energy away. They're trying to hustle, trying to make a quick buck, but they're just snakes in the grass and you're out of luck. They'll promise you the world, but it's all a facade. They'll take your hard-earned cash and leave you feeling robbed. They'll talk a big game with their words so smooth, but behind the scenes it's all a twisted groove. They prey on the innocent, they don't care who they hurt. They'll sell your dreams while they're laughing in the dirt. Take advantage of your trust and leave you with disbelief. But it's time to stand up and expose them to see trading triumph. I'm the ruler of the trade.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Wreck your scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market, I'm here to stay. I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. ALGO box, you turn it all around. You tell me that you need me, then you go and show me how. Wait, you tell me that it's easy, didn't think I'd see the game you play. It's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat, something new, yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move. And you say follow and then play along. ALGO box, it's true. It's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. ALGO box, it's too late. holding on your trades got me 10 feet off the ground. ALGO box makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. ALGO box and never miss the game.
Alrighty then, for me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and Eddie B, I am sending out that big H-Town. See ya. Our team, take it away. Let's go.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta 5 loading. Long. Look for a long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Down on freeze. Order filled. Target filled.